Hey guys, and we are live. Welcome everyone to another edition of Trading Bitcoin with your host Tone Vase. I think most people in the US are asleep, so no guests today. I'm also enjoying these short videos now that I'm on the road. So let me see here. Let me set up. Oh, I should probably check my audio. All right, audio looks good. And we're set. Coming to you live from Aruba. Nice and sunny Aruba, really warm here. Definitely gonna hit the beach in about an hour and a half or so. Up early, up with the sun. It should get nicer. Oh, I'm not charging my laptop. Oh, that's because I'm charging my phone. That's okay. Yeah, let's see. We got 250 people watching. I guess the US is gonna wake up. And let's go to the markets. Let's go take a look at what's going on. As usual, we begin with a look at Unconfiscatable. So wow, the carnivory dinner is selling out quick. So we have one seat left at 0.07, then the price goes up to 0.1. So it's a carnivory dinner with the speakers. I am saving 25 seats or so for speakers. And then we are selling an additional 50 seats. That's basically how the carnivory dinner is working. And so this is your chance to join the speakers at the carnivory dinner for 75 people. Yes, you will be able to order things other than steak. But that's basically what we're working with on Thursday night. Friday night's the poker game. I'm going to open up a few more seats around Christmas. Let me get back to the US, and I want to make sure that all the celebrities, are registered and stuff like that. As far as the conference goes, we are down to one VIP ticket and still have 48 tickets left at the current price, which is somewhat cheap. I know that the fiat price isn't currently matching the Bitcoin price, but it's kind of staying that way. We're not going to keep updating prices. So pick one. All right, that's it. Homepage. Where are we going here? Workshops. Hey, thank you for your tip. Thank you for the 10 euros. Much appreciated. All right, I'm down to 3 workshops right now. I'm gonna reorganize the whole workshop structure. So I'm not sure what it's gonna be after Vegas, but right now, this is what I'm looking at. Aruba workshop was great. Oh, speaking of the Aruba workshop, that went great, by the way. The Aruba workshop went great. 1 second, guys. There it is. I want to do a shout out here. Boom. I know it's going to be so weird. I want to do a shout out to Linda's Dutch Pancakes here in Aruba. That's where we did the workshop. It was at Linda's Dutch Pancakes. They do have carnivore things on the menu. The food was absolutely amazing. It was steak with eggs. It was great. Steak, eggs, and bacon. It was amazing, but great place. You can look at the rating on TripAdvisor. Shout out to Stefan for hosting us at Linda's Dutch. They have a Bitcoin ATM there as well. So if you are in Aruba and you're looking to buy Bitcoin, there you go. Just stop by Linda's Dutch Pancakes to use their Bitcoin ATM. Big supporters of Bitcoin here in Aruba. So shout out, guys. All right. Anyway, that's about it. If you're interested in the indicator, go to indicators. And if you want to support my work, find something on the affiliate page. All right. And like the Amazon links and stuff. Okay. Charts. Let's do this. So we're looking at the monthly chart here. The monthly chart does not look good. Okay. Sure, we can rebound, but the monthly chart is not looking good. So what we're looking at here is the support of the 50-month moving average. We did not hit it. The 51 moving average is down at $3,000. I believe we will hit it. Maybe not this month, Maybe not next month, but we're going to hit it. The bear market of Bitcoin does not end this easily. It's too easy. Shitcoins are still with us. Ethereum is still alive. Bitcoin ABC is still alive. Ripple is still alive. Like, these things need to go away. Monero, Litecoin, they're still alive. They need to go away. I'm starting to rethink how bad this bear market is going to get, because the shit coins are still with us. And I just named the good ones. We're not even talking about the really, really scammy ones like Token Pay and who's another like top of the line scammy, NAM maybe, like, you know, like the real scams of the scams. They're still really with us. So those really need to go away. Maybe Litecoin and Monero can hang around. So look, the sooner all that garbage dies, the sooner Bitcoin can go to new all-time highs. If that garbage doesn't die, we may be looking at like 2023, 2024, God knows, before Bitcoin goes back to new all-time highs. So be careful what you wish for, guys. When you want to get rich off of shit coins, you're basically depressing the price of Bitcoin. So, you know, pick one. So, okay. Weekly chart. The week is halfway in, or not really. Well, wait, what day is today? Today is Monday, isn't it? The week just started. I was about to say the week's about to end. So the week just started. So there's nothing we can really say about this candle other than it is a 5 of 9 in a downtrend. But I would say that the triangle target has effectively been met. It hasn't been perfectly met, but it's effectively been met. This is the struggle of a trader. Do you consider the low of 3,200 the meeting of the target that was supposed to go down to exactly 3,000? Or does it slam down to 3,000 next week? Because either way, it's legit. So it's really hard to say. So this is where you just have to do good stop losses, okay? Nothing you can really do. So all we can look at it is the weekly chart and say there is a 50% chance we bounced off the support point, and there is a 50% chance that we didn't. Is that helpful to a trader? Yes, it's very helpful to a trader. Not knowing where the market is going to go is equally as helpful as knowing where the market is going to go. So let me explain that again. Over here, when I was shorting the shit out of Bitcoin, that did not work out for me personally, down in this area here. When I was shorting Bitcoin here and again over here, and I would have shorted it again here if I had my account still active, I had an 80% confidence of where Bitcoin was going. That was very helpful to me. At the moment, I have no idea if we're going to go down to 3,000 or back up to 5,000. And that is also equally as helpful to me. Not knowing where Bitcoin's going to go tells me not to trade it. So I would have been perfectly happy with my life doing one trade this year in Bitcoin. That trade would have been about 500% profitable, and that would have been a good year of trading with just one trade. But that's me. That's my style of trading now, right? Like, I'm done with trading every single day, making 5 trades a day. I'm perfectly happy doing 2 or 3 trades a year, as long as as long as those trades are making me hundreds of %. Okay. So not knowing where Bitcoin's going to go is also very helpful to a trader. Like right now, I really don't know. But the weekly chart has a bearish posture with a possibility of the yearly low being in. And we only have 3 weeks left this year. So use that information as it's useful to you. Maybe the low is in for like January as well, right? And then February, we turn back down. All right, let's go to daily chart. So I was hopeful about this little triangle at the low. I was, should I move this triangle out of the way? I really don't need it. I'm going to delete it because I can't see my chart. I was really hopeful that this 9 at the low would rebound us back to the moving average, but the rally faded quickly. Once the rally faded and we broke down below this line, once the rally faded and new lows were in, I turned bearish. Why? Well, the sequential was telling me to be bearish. The sequential was telling me, hey, we can go to a 9 down here. Okay. Didn't exactly happen. We made it to an 8. We already started the rebound, and now we're in the middle of a daily price flip. The candle is about halfway in. Okay. So we didn't require to reach my target of 3,100, but we got down to 32. That's fairly close. Fairly close, right? We didn't get the 9 unless we get a slam down the rest of the day, which is possible. I'm going to be at the beach, so I'm going to have no idea. Okay. So what does this mean? Again, I don't know. I am completely neutral on a daily chart. We failed to reach a good buy the dip scenario. And there's not much vigor going back to the upside. So I'm not exactly bullish and I'm not exactly bearish. So the best I can tell you on a daily chart here is maybe we can do a channel. Let's see. If I grab a couple of parallel lines and I don't know, do one of these. It's not good. No, I'm stretching. Nothing's clean. I guess that's cleanish, right? So for now, we're still in this channel. And until we bust out of this channel, I'm not interested, okay? So either we go above like 3,700. So I'm going to draw a line at 3,700. So until I see Bitcoin break 3,700, maybe 3,750. Let's see what 3,700 looks like. Oh, it's 4,700. Yeah, 3,750. Let's go with 50. We will do 50. Let me see. Let me see what it looks like. Okay, so there's 3,750. So until we break 3,750, I'm not interested in the bullish case. Now the bearish case, on the other hand, I'm going to move this line over. If we get to 3650, let's say to the top of this little channel, we can then have one more push down, basically is what I'm saying. Like that. And maybe this 9, maybe in 9 more days, right? So what do we got here? 11th plus 9 is, I'm wasting way too much time here. And then maybe, oh, that's 2,800. That's a little lower than I wanted it. But that would be a great low, by the way. That would be a great buy the dip right there, right? So maybe it'll do that. Maybe it'll break the green line. But I'm not interested in the bullish case. And I'm not exactly bearish at this moment either. I'm a completely neutral. Daily chart, totally neutral. And the price flip proves it on the sequential. So take a break. Take a little break from trading. Here's a line where you kind of got slammed down, but I'm sure this is a 12-hour chart. But I'm sure I would have said it's a little too late, too short. Now that is a beautiful reversal candle that followed a 9 aggressive 13. Beautiful reversal candle at the combo 13 level. We've kicked off yet another countdown, but you don't see it because we're trending up. So again, I'm not interested in Bitcoin until, well, according to this chart, I probably wouldn't be interested unless we break like 4,000. Like, it's not a good chart. Like, we're being rejected by the breakdown line, and I'm totally neutral here. Again, neutral. Here's the 4-hour chart. Again, I'm extending the same line. We came in, we touched that line, and pretty much. And the 4-hour chart has a little bit of a bearish posture. The 12-hour chart has a little bit of a bullish posture, but not enough to make a trade. Like, every chart is like 51 versus 49 on bullish versus bearish in my eyes. I would not be touching Bitcoin right now. I wouldn't be trading it right now. Take a break. Now, the CMF here looks horrendous. What does the CMF look like here? Yeah, the CMF here looks like it's starting to get positive. That's good. Here it looks bad, really bad. The 4-hour chart, again, yeah, you bounced off the moving average. You got a price flip. You have a green 2 going above a green 1. It's leaning bullish, but I wouldn't trust it. Not enough to make a trade on. You had these two huge candles right here. This guy and this guy. This is on the 1-hour chart. But look at the big volume difference. So much less volume on that second one. It did come off a deferred sequential 13, which is a great buying opportunity usually. It topped on a 9 with a shooting star 7 candle. That's great. Got you a hammer 6 candle here. Unfortunately, it wasn't the 9 candle. A little bit bullish on the 4-hour. I don't know. Neutral. We're all neutral. The shorts are starting to wear off, which is good. Well, not really, actually. It could set up for some more downside, but you can still have a short squeeze come in. If the shorts deleverage, there's really not going to be a short squeeze. Shorts versus longs, kind of near the lows, not really helpful. GBTC is going to open at 9:30 in the morning. It's currently 6:15 in New York, and I want to see where they open. So this chart means nothing because over the weekend it doesn't trade. Ethereum still $93.80 too high, so we'll wait. S&P 500, this is it, guys. This is like, wow. Like the S&P 500 better get its shit together. Right now in the futures market, we have a little bit of a positive sign. Opened on a down gap, closing the gap. I might do a video. No, I'm not going to do a video later today. I'm going to go have fun. We're going on boats today. And tomorrow, I'm going to be very interested in the S&P 500. If I look at the longer term view of the S&P 500, like if we don't recover significantly this week, this shit is going down to the bottom of the channel. Like, if we break these lows, I finally admit that the S&P 500 is bearish. Was I late to the party? It depends on your style of trading. I'm gonna grab this line. I'm gonna make it a different color. Let's make it blue. I'm gonna probably change the coordinates, but is there a save button? Yeah. So let me get this line straight. I'm going to do the best fit line. Here it is. If we go below this line, I will admit the S&P 500 is bearish. Did it take me too long to do it? Maybe. But I've been bullish the S&P 500 for years. Years. I've been bullish the S&P 500 since like, Jesus Christ. When did I give up being a gold bug? Probably like here. Like around here, like back in 2013. I was so bullish the S&P 500. So pretty much since around this area when we came back to the vicinity of the 2008 all-time high. I became a huge bull, and I was a bull all throughout this little area here. So God forbid we fall back to the bottom of the channel. So what? Who cares? This thing is going to bounce off the bottom of the channel and it's going to go to like 5,000 points, right? So we got a little bit overextended, just like Bitcoin got way above its channel. And so we'll correct a little bit and it'll be fine. Not expecting a global catastrophe anytime soon. So, but below that line, I would not have any positions in the S&P 500 to the long side. The daily, yeah, same thing. It's a make or break day right now. Make or break day. If it starts closing lower than, if it starts trading lower than these lows, I would be completely out. If it has a huge wick on the bottom and gives you a reversal candle, you know, maybe a chance to get back into the bull side the following day. Gold, again, we have to wait for the open, and oil, again, we have to wait for the open. So nothing's really going on. And once again, hey guys, Unconfiscatable, come out, support. We have 48 tickets to the conference left at this price. One VIP ticket left. The VIP ticket is just for the conference day. It does not get you into the carnivory dinner. That is separate. One seat left at 0.07, and then the price rises to 0.1. I will open up some more general seats at the Celebrity Poker Tournament around Christmas when I get a handle on how many celebrities are playing. That's about it, guys. That's it for me. That was about 20 minutes, so that's not bad. I can maybe go, I'm trying to keep these short. No, the markets aren't rigged. Stop it with the damn rigged markets. What was I gonna say? Oh, I'm gonna be on again in 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Catch me on Forklog, but it's in Russian, right? So if you speak Russian, go over to the Forklog YouTube channel, and I will be on there. All right, time to charge my computer, actually. I will be on the Forklog YouTube channel at the top of the hour. I haven't done a Russian video in a while, so they're all like panicking. So I want to do one in Russian. All right, any quick questions? Hey, thank you, Mark Firm. You've been following me since 2016. I started in 2014. I started around, well, with Bitcoin, right? I've been around before that, but my first article about Bitcoin, I believe, was like June 2014 or something. My first TA article was around June 2014. When am I going to come to Russia? I don't know. I'll be back in Ukraine. I'll be back in Ukraine soon, early next year. But I need to get a visa for Russia. I have to find time to go get a visa. I'm also looking into my Russian passport. Also, I'm looking into my Ukrainian passport. It's time to change residency. Might get those soon. When am I going to come back to Chiang Mai? Ooh, I don't know. Maybe next October. Nah, Digibyte's garbage. It's garbage. They're useless. Useless. Useless coin. All right, guys. I'm gonna. All right, guys. I'm gonna call it a day. Let me stop screen share. All right, guys. Coming to you from Aruba. I'm gonna do a quick video in Russian from here. Still growing the beard. Let's see if I can keep it going into the conference. I really need a haircut bad. I've been on the road for like 4 months. You know, really need a haircut. And maybe I'll do another video. Maybe I'll do another barber video. All right, guys, calling it a day. Talk to you all on the next one. If you find me on a beach in Aruba, say hi. Once again, shout out Linda's Dutch Pancakes. Thank you so much for hosting the trading workshop there yesterday. Can't believe I got like a few people in Aruba to come to a workshop. It's great. Talk to you all on the next one.